How to take care of your cordless impact driver. Proper maintenance of your cordless impact driver ensures its longevity, efficiency, and safety. Follow these essential care tips to keep your tool in top condition. 1. Maintain the battery for long life. Charge the battery properly. Avoid overcharging and deep discharges to extend battery life. Use only the manufacturer-recommended charger to prevent damage. Store batteries in a cool, dry place, away from direct heat or moisture. If storing for an extended period, keep the battery charged at 40 to 50% to maintain its health. 2. Keep the tool clean. Wipe the exterior with a dry or slightly damp cloth to remove dust and debris. Use compressed air to clean dust from the motor vents and prevent overheating. Regularly check the chuck and hex cullet for dirt buildup and lubricate if needed. 3. Store it properly. Store the impact driver in a toolbox or case to protect it from moisture, dust, and accidental damage. Avoid damp or humid environments to prevent rust or corrosion. Keep it out of reach of children and unauthorized users for safety. 4. Use the right bits and accessories. Always use impact-rated screwdriver bits to prevent breakage under high torque. Inspect bits for wear and tear. Replace dull or damaged ones to maintain performance. Ensure bits are properly secured in the hex chuck before operating. 5. Prevent overheating and overloading. Do not force the tool beyond its rated power. Use the right torque and speed settings. If the tool gets too hot, give it time to cool down before using it again. Avoid continuous heavy use without brakes, as overheating can damage the motor. By following these maintenance tips, your cordless impact driver will stay in great condition, providing reliable performance for all your fastening and construction needs.
Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and share as well.